Okay, so in this video you'll be learning how to define this area, perimeter, and circumference of shapes. So first we'll start off with the square, and the formula for the perimeter is P equals 4S. And we know that from our sources, we know that S is 6, so all you gotta do is substitute in. We get P equals 24. And it's not like the same thing for area, it's just substitution. S squared, so we have A equals 6 squared. And that's all you have to do for that. For the rectangles, it's similar, it's just substitution. It's substitution for all of these, really. The perimeter formula is P equals 2 times the length plus 2 times the width. And then we just substitute in, and you have, oh, that's a bit messy, but, and then you have, put 3 in there, 24 plus 6, 30. Okay. And the area formula is just A equals LW, and that is, the length is 12, it's just 12 times 3, so A equals 36. Okay. Did I do something wrong here? Oh, no, I didn't. Okay. So now, as we find the perimeter of the triangle, it's fairly simple, really. You just go P equals A plus B plus C, substitute in A 3, the base is 8, and C 6, and what we get is 17. 17? Yes, we get 17. And area is a bit more complicated, but it's the same thing we've been doing. Area equals 1/2 B, just a bit big, and we substitute that in. We get 8, and then 6, which will just wind up being 4 times 6, which is 24. Okay. Now for circumference, you're going to need your calculators, which I gotta get because we want to get an exact answer instead of just pi 3.14. So the formula for this is C equals pi times the diameter, the circumference. Instead of perimeter, it's circumference. And with this, you just put in pi in your calculator, which I'll do now. Or you can also put 2 pi r, because the radius is just half of the diameter. And we would wind up getting a 40. I'm actually going to substitute in first. You would wind up getting a 43.9823. Which we'll just round to there. That's good. Okay. And for the area, it's just pi r squared. And just substituting, really. R is 7, square that. 49 pi. So we put this in our calculators and we get 153.94. And yeah, that's how you find the perimeter, circumference, and area of shapes.